Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply dark mode in your Android phone without any app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for accessibility. Here you can see the option of shortcuts and accessibility. Press on this. Now scroll down. Go to accessibility. Here you can see the option of color and motion. Press on this. Here you can see color inversion. If you want to apply dark mode in your Android phone without any app, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to apply dark mode in your Android phone without any app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.